How to regulate permissions for custom post types. I've defined a custom post type called reviews for use on my demo library site. This post type is defined using the GD Custom Posts and Taxonomies plugin. I use that just because it's the one I'm used to. I've found that it's convenient and sufficient for test and demo sites like this. There are many such plugins out there that can register a custom post type or taxonomy for you. I'm not aware of conflicts with any of them in particular. You can also define a custom post type directly using the register post type function. And if you scroll through the function doc on that, you'll see that one of the parameters is capabilities. So if you want to customize permissions for a post type, the first step is to customize the capabilities which are required to read, edit, or delete posts of that type. If you've already done that using your API call or your custom post plugin, that's fine. That capability definition will not be altered. If not, Press Permit gives you an easy way to establish that. Just go into the Permissions menu and Settings, and on the Core tab, just check off all the types that you'd like to have Press Permit work with. Now if I go to the Capability Manager tab, so users cannot edit programs unless they have the edit programs capability. They can't publish reviews without that publish reviews capability. So now that we're requiring the distinct capabilities, the next step is to grant those capabilities to the appropriate users. We could do that by directly editing the WordPress role definition. So if I added the edit reviews, publish reviews, and edit published reviews capabilities, then this staff member would essentially be a review author. Press Permit gives you an easier and more flexible way to do that. If you go to the permission groups listing, find the meta group for the WordPress role that you're working with. On the Add Supplemental Roles tab, select the post type that you'd like to grant some permissions for, and the role. I'm going to add a couple other roles. Let's make this an event contributor and a profile contributor. Oops. So those are 3 supplemental roles I'm adding to the library staff role. So all users whose primary WordPress role is library staff will also have these supplemental roles for the custom post types. If you're wondering about that post count up top, the only active plugin here is Press Permit Core. And as far as editing permissions go, all PP Core does is give you a convenient way to modify the capabilities in each WordPress role definition. So that post count is just stock WordPress core behavior under this set of role capabilities. If you need to modify the way that WordPress enforces capabilities, you can buy into Press Permit Pro, which includes a number of extension plugins, including PP Collaborative Editing Pack. That will take care of the post count and also let you grant or revoke editing permissions for a specific post, page, page branch, category, or other term.